Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Bank of America Cash Rewards. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process step by step, covering key concepts, practical examples, and best practices. First, it is essential to understand what Bank of America Cash Rewards is. It is a rewards program offered by Bank of America that allows you to earn cash back on your purchases. The program is simple to use and provides a great way to earn rewards on your everyday spending. To get started, you need to have a Bank of America credit card that participates in the Cash Rewards program. If you do not have one, you can apply for a card on the Bank of America website. Once you have a card, you can start earning cash back on your purchases. The Cash Rewards program offers 3% cashback on gas purchases, 2% cashback at grocery stores, and 1% cashback on all other purchases. You can earn cashback on up to $2,500 in combined gas and grocery store purchases each quarter. After that, you will earn 1% cashback on those purchases. To maximize your rewards, it is crucial to understand how the program works. For example, if you spend $100 on gas, you will earn $3 in cash back. If you spend $100 at a grocery store, you will earn $2 in cash back. You can redeem your cashback rewards for a statement credit, a check, or a deposit into a Bank of America checking or savings account. To redeem your rewards, log into your Bank of America account online or through the mobile app. Click on the Rewards tab and select the reward you want to redeem. You can also redeem your rewards by calling the Bank of America customer service number or by visiting a Bank of America branch. Best practices for using Bank of America Cash Rewards include using your card for all your purchases, paying your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges, and redeeming your rewards regularly to maximize your earnings. It is also essential to keep track of your rewards balance and to review your account regularly to ensure you are earning the most rewards possible. In conclusion, using Bank of America Cash Rewards is a great way to earn cash back on your purchases. By following these steps and best practices, you can maximize your rewards and get the most out of the program. Remember to always use your card for your purchases, pay your balance in full each month, and redeem your rewards regularly to earn the most cash back possible.